And there's just so much fabric hanging everywhere. Hello, my freaks. Welcome back to Hi Stylin, where I'm just embracing the frizz. This is the new me now, so just get used to it. Let's see what Jaime is gonna have me wear. Ooh, it's primary colors, but kind of a casual office look. All right, I know it's hard to see in the picture, so here are the pink and orange flower earrings that make no sense with this outfit. And then here's a little hack for you. If you ever have a dumb, cheap belt from Forever 21 that doesn't have the other loop on it to keep it from flopping around, you can use a clear hair tie to hold it on there, or in this case, it's one of those tiny rubber bands from the orthodontist. It's not invisible, but it's better than it flopping around. And here's the full look. It's a lot weirder looking than in the app, mostly because of this pink scarf that is a sarong now because I had no idea where I was supposed to put that. And then, of course, we're wearing the J. Crew sweater in typical J. Crew catalog fashion. And there's just so much fabric hanging everywhere. And I don't know if this is what Jaime had in mind, but we're wearing the belt as a waist belt instead of in the belt loops because that's the only place it fits on me, which actually kind of works since the shirt is longer. And once again, to my dismay, Jaime has put me in tights underneath pants, and I'm trying this on in summer. Eventually, if I keep doing this series after I run out of legacy outfits, I want to have more of like actual collections that correspond to the real seasons, but we'll see if I keep going with it. But yeah, I think this outfit has definite potential. I like all the little details, like the blue and white tiny stripe with the tiny polka dots, and then the blue and white stripe echoed up here in a bigger pattern. And then the red with the more of like a light red than a true pink. Or you could say light red is the truest pink of them all. I feel like a child CEO, like I'm gonna go have a business meeting about my lemonade stand, but then I gotta get to my Little League game. So I think we can keep the same vibe going, but just make it more wearable than this version. I think the obvious first thing to do is get this pink scarf off and stop wearing tights under my pants. Well, I thought these rainbow socks just made a lot more sense with the youthful vibe, especially since the yellow is the part that shows. So that's a lot more comfortable than tights. Next, I kind of want to play around with a shirt that I have that has a similar stripe as this. For whatever reason, I just thought it would be fun to replace that blue and white striped shirt with this different style shirt that has slightly a more gray stripe in it. And I kept the belt on, not thinking that I was going to actually keep it. And I was right, I'm not. But it kind of does make a peplum. I just don't really like peplums. It's definitely cuter in the back. Yeah, let's see what it looks like off. Well, I don't know actually, because it looks really wide from the side. I usually wear this with a higher waist bottom and tuck it in, but these are lower waist pants. So let's see what we do with the rest of the outfit. I don't know, maybe I do like it. I don't really know what else to do. Do we really have to have something pink with this? I don't know. I do kind of want to keep the tiny polka dot with the tiny stripe though. I thought that was fun. Oh, and then as far as the sweater, I mean, we could still wear it on the shoulders. I just don't know anyone who actually wears their sweater like that in real life. Maybe I'll replace the earrings with something that's that bright blue. But I do like how the big stripe mimicked the small stripe. I guess we could just wear it as an actual scarf, but this feels like too much in the front. Let me do it differently. Maybe we just don't. Okay, I found some earring options for us. These unreasonably bright blue ones, or these fun flower ones that keep the red and pink in there and then also kind of go with the more childish vibe. So, not sure which is better. Also, I just found this blue and white lanyard from my actual job. It looks more official now. I still miss the bigger blue and white stripe though. I really liked that. Okay, hear me out. What if we just tie this around the waist instead of the belt? Well, now that we have a lot of blue, I'm just going with the flower power earrings. And maybe we just carry the jacket? Realistically, you're not gonna wear this sweater with this top. I really wish that the neckline was a little deeper so that it could be worn over the top and then the ruffle could like peek out over. That would be really cute. But it's not. So I think around the waist is the best we can do. And actually, I just kept the belt on for options because nobody has to know. But yeah, we're not gonna wear the jacket over with the sweater like that. So we're just gonna carry it. Or like maybe you could get away with over the shoulders just because it doesn't look too intentional. Just however. Yeah, I pretty much like it now. And as CEO, I'm making an executive decision that any femininity that we got from the pink scarf is just collected here in the ruffle. I do miss those little dots, but I just don't think I have anything else that will work. Because realistically, you're not going to wear this sweater over this top. There's just too many ruffles and it's going to look all bunchy. So I think it has to be one or the other and it has to be the jacket. Would I still wear this as a child CEO? Um, I mean, it's a little less business without the button down shirt, but yes, I think I would. I think I would wear this just to, sell the lemonade though, not to talk to my shareholders. Would you wear this? Where would you wear this? Do you think I won or do you think Jaime won? And thanks for watching.